Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing all the masks that we have bought on Amazon. Looking at KF94s, very exciting today. And this one comes in a weird box. So let's test it. This is the KF94, what do we call this one? EHH. Mask. It's got a bunch, it's like got Band-Aids closing it, which is weird. I think they're going for the sanitary feel, but I don't know, I think they went too far, too on the nose. What the heck is going on? And they're like barely in, look at this, these masks are like, let me out! What the heck? Okay, all right, this is unique, I like that. I like opening up this and not seeing the same boring stuff over and over again. This is literally paper. It's paper. That's weird. What was going on? There was some innovator over there in South Korea that's like, I'm going to make the best mask. That's not an impersonation. That's with accent. It's not an accent. That's just Bane over in South Korea. I was born in the darkness. You merely adopted to it. Anyway. At least I'm not doing Borat impersonations, am I right?
They're nice.
All right, this is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We're basically doing the N95 test here. I know, on a KF94. We are innovators, just like this guy, whoever created that weird thing. We're basically trying to help y'all out at home, which is a Texas thing, right? Figure out what the best mask for you to wear. And so, you know, there are 270 beautiful people on Amazon. We're like really reaching the bottom, who are like, I want to buy this KF94 from this photoshopped librarian. Does it protect me, Lloyd? Does it? I want to know, and I want to tell you. So first of all, we're going to open this up. And are they different colors? Ooh, they're different colors. And it's got this, I'm not sure if this was supposed to be some sort of a structural thing or if this is part of the packaging. Very weird. Never seen that before. These ear loops are really thick. Yeah. Ooh, hot pink. Let's put it on. Ooh. Oh, those are tight ear loops though. I'm gonna do the, okay. I'm gonna call this smell a ream of paper, all 500 sheets. Very interesting. It's very rough exterior. It's a very thick smunbon on the exterior, and it's very soft on the interior. You know, I've seen better KF94s. Looking at the results, I snuck a peek. Sorry, 99.488. So wow, as usual, if the mask looks like this and says KF94, it's probably going to give you a result like this, 99.488. That's just been my experience. Yesterday we were testing KN95s, tested maybe 40, 50 KN95s. Half of them did not pass. KF94s, just executing. And the reason for that is KN95 is a self-certified Chinese standard, meaning that the Chinese government doesn't check. They just tell manufacturers, just promise it's good, okay? Promise. So then you're left to see if you trust that manufacturer or not. But then they don't even put their name on the mask, so how do you know? The KF94 style has to be made in South Korea. And what that means is that all of those manufacturers, they are under the iron thumb of the, no, I don't know. I usually know little about the Korean FDA, but it seems like they do a really good job making sure that the masks that come out of South Korea with the South Korean flag and name on them, they're good masks. So I usually would recommend those. If you're looking for a good mask you're probably going to trust without having a $250,000 mask lab, go with that. Now, one caveat here is, wow, we're getting a really great PFE, particulate filtration there, which is good. The airflow was almost 200 pascals. That's really hard to breathe in. And air, you know, is going to find a way, just like Jeff Goldblum taught us. Life finds a way. So if you have something that's very thick here, which this is, and hard to breathe in, Air is going to find the little holes and suck in and breathe out from those holes. So this is so hard to breathe through at 200 pascals. Still below the N95 standard. You can go up to 250 pascals. But I like to see something under 150 pascals, and we've seen those in there. So check out our list of all the masks that we've tested on Amazon, and you'll see some KF94s that met that standard. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thanks for your time and attention, and I will see you on that next test.